In this video we will show how to repair damaged edges on a plastic bumper. Here are some examples of damage. Let's get started on a repair. The crack is sanded to prepare the surface for welding, and it is important to remove all paint from the surface so the weld is made on the raw plastic. Focus on cleaning the whole of the damage. Not only the easily accessible parts. With edges, it is an advantage to tack on both sides, to stabilize the damage as much as possible, as, if the shape is off, the bumper will not align with fenders, etc. On the outside, we use the large tack as it provides good strength while remaining easy to remove after the back is welded. On the inside, we use the angled tacks in the corner. For this type of repair, we have to shape the end of the welding strip to make sure it melts into the corner. This is easily done with scissors or a knife. The weld is started before the damage, to ensure the shaped welding strip is welded into the plastic. Notice how a tunnel is created between the strip and the edge to transfer the heat evenly to the bumper and the strip. Squeeze in the weld with the vise. A reinforcement is made across the edge. Again, squeeze with the vise. Here you see how to remove the tack after welding the back side. This is done in cases where the OEM procedure does not allow for tacks to be left in the repair. Then the outside is welded. It can sometimes be beneficial to cut the welding strip in half lengthways for a thinner welding strip. This can make the sanding afterwards easier. However, in this example, a whole strip was used, and the excess material is removed with a knife. Start with the 2-speed sander to remove the bulk of the excess material. Make sure the sander rotates off the weld, as this gives better results, and prevents ripping up in the repair. The back side also needs sanding in this repair, otherwise fitting and reassembly may prove problematic. Notice that the area affected by the repair is kept small. This makes refinishing much simpler. If you want more information, go to our webpage, vtaginnovation.com.